Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Steve Ferguson here, Thrive Mortgage. Hope you're having a great day today. It's a little dark outside, so that my lighting may be off. I apologize for that. But today, we're going to talk about the 6 things you do not have to get a mortgage. Very excited about this video. Can't wait to tell you more about it. Let's get started, right? Number 1, you do not have to have rental history to get a mortgage. A lot of people think you have to rent. You've got to pay those rent payments on time. Got to be out of mom and dad's house. That is simply not true. Lots of loan programs don't care a thing about whether or not you've rented. So don't worry about being a renter. Number 2, you don't have to have credit scores. Lots of programs out there that exist that do not require credit scores and or credit. So think about that for a second. Credit scores are not necessary to get a home loan. So start thinking about this, guys. There's 4 more reasons here in just a second. Number 3, down payment. You do not have to have a down payment to get a home loan. There's down payment assistance programs. There's programs that offer 100% financing. There's a lot of options out there. So you don't have to have a ton of money in the bank to buy a home. Number 4, and I keep looking down because I've got a list here. Number 4, tax returns. You do not have to have tax returns to get a mortgage. Guys, not everything is required that you see on the media and everything else. There are mortgage programs that do not even look at tax returns. If you're self-employed, think about that. If you're writing off a bunch of income on your taxes, there's other ways to document income besides tax returns. So you should be calling me if you're self-employed. Job. You don't have to have a job to get a mortgage. My goodness, think about this for a second, right? I know people that have never had a job. There's other ways to get a mortgage to document other assets and other items that will get you qualified to buy a home. So don't have to have a job. The final thing, the end of the end, the last frontier is you do not have to have income to get a mortgage. I'm going to say this again. You do not have to have income to get a mortgage, right? There's even programs that you don't have to prove income to get a mortgage. There's lots of variations of these things in order to get you financed for mortgage loans. Here's the important thing that you need to think about in this video. I've probably talked about some things that you guys have never considered before, even being possible to get a mortgage. But you've got to talk to the right loan officer that has access to these tools. Guess what? I know how to get these done. We do them every single day. If you're anywhere that's self-employed, have these situations, give me a call. Let's talk about your situation. Let's get you where you want to go. All right. Thanks so much for taking your time with me today. You guys are awesome. Don't forget, I keep pointing the wrong direction here. It's over here. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. There's a lot of other great videos that you guys can check out, and I'll talk to you real soon. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.